Hello Ma, this is Sridevi, Biological Science Teacher, KGVV, B Matam, Kadapa District. How are you Ma? I hope all are safe at home. Today we will discuss cell, its structure and function, plant cell, animal cells and cell organelles. We all know the cell. Every living organism made up of cell. Just like think it how wall made up of brick. Yes, a living organism made up of cell. So cell is basic unit of life. In our lower classes that you have already learned that every cell made up of some components. Each cell has got some other parts inside. You study some other parts about nucleus, cytoplasm. You also learn shape of the cell. Some cells in oval shape, some cells in round shape, some are cubic shape, some are cylindrical shape. You also learn about parts, shapes, size of cells. We know that cells are very small, microscopic. That means microscope under the cells. They are some cells which we can see naked eyes. So we learn different sizes. We know that the smallest cell is measured in microns. The biggest cell is ostrich. We can see our naked eyes. Classification: the unicellular, multicellular animals. Unicellular, we learn that have only one cell throughout their life is called unicellular. Examples: amoeba, paramecium, euglena. Multicellular organisms. Organisms that have number of cells. Now we are going to learn about a part of cells. What we are going to learn about? What are the inner parts of the cell? What we call them cell organelles. In the lesson, we are going to study about the function and structure of cell organelles. Different parts that are found inside the cells. Now we are studying cells. We already discussed. This is picture of different shapes of cells. Discuss. Some are round, some are cube, some are flat. Please carefully observe this picture, ma. Understand it. Carefully observe this picture, ma. Amoeba, paramecium, euglena, bacteria. What is that animals? That is unicellular organisms. What is meant by unicellular organisms? Is unicellular organisms in an organism that consists of single cell, means single cell can do everything. That means all life process such as reproductions, digestion, excretions in one cell. Amoeba, bacteria, euglena, some type of unicellular organisms. This is the picture of unicellular organism, multicellular organism. What is unicellular organisms? They have only one cell perform all the functions. What is the example that? Amoeba, bacteria, paramecium. Multicellular organisms. What is multicellular organisms? They have multiple cells. Different cells perform different functions. Example: humans, animals, plants. To observe the cells need some special instrument. Microscope. Microscope are different types. Simple microscope, compound microscope, electron microscope. This is the picture of simple microscope. What is the use of simple microscope? Simple microscope observed to outline features of the cells. If you want to observe some kind of plant and animal cells, but not possible to observe inner part of the cell. This is the picture of compound microscope. We can use compound microscope to study the cells. A compound microscope is a microscope that uses multiple lenses to enlarge the images of samples. This is the picture of electron microscope. What is the use of electron microscope? Electron microscope is a technique for obtaining high resolution images of biological and non-biological specimens. It is used in biomedical research, investigation detailed structure of cells, tissues, organelles and micromolecular complex. Typical cells is nothing but a model cells which present all the cells organelles present in the cells is animal cells have mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum. Every animal cells do not have all cell organs. Some animal cells have more number of mitochondria. All the organelles shown in the typical cells, plant, animal cells will not exist in every cell. For example, chloroplasts are always shown in typical cells, yet all the plant cells do not have chloroplast. They are mostly in the cells of green leaves, tender stem, etc. The organelles that feature in most of the cells are included in this model. The typical cells provide a way to study cells. Once we arrive such a model, we can compare any cell with. What common feature do you see in these both cells? Which cells organelles are found exclusively in plant cells? Cell membrane or plasma membrane. In your earlier classes, you have already studied that cell membrane is covering the animal cell. In plant cell, there is another layer present over the cell membrane known as cell wall. The outer boundary of the colored area is actually the cell membrane or plasma membrane, which become separated from the cell wall. However, we can observe the structure of cell membrane only through in microscope. Cell membrane is flexible and is made up of protein lipids. Please carefully observe this picture, ma. This is picture of cell membrane or plasma membrane. Cell membrane. The cell membrane is the outermost layer of the cell that separates cytoplasm from external environment. This is also known as plasma membrane. The cell membrane defines the shape and size of the cell, enclose the cytoplasm and protect it from the external environment of the cell. The cell membrane plays crucial role in maintaining this balance. Any substance entering or leaving the cell can do only through the membrane. The exchange of substances through the cell membrane happens very selectively. Hence, it is known as selective permeable membrane. We have already learned the dark color dot in the cell previous classes. What is the dark color dot in the cell? The dark color dot in the cell is nucleus. Do you know who invented the nucleus? Yes, Robert Brown invented nucleus in 1831. Brown had no idea about its function. This is the one of the important organella in the cell. So, we known as cell control room. The nucleus is the largest, most distinct of the cell organelles. Schleiden, who was one of the prominent cell theory, new cells were created from the nucleus. The nucleus is the organelle found in the eukaryotic cell. Inside its fully enclosed nucleus membrane, it contains the majority of cell genetic material. This genetic material is organized as DNA molecules along with chromosomes. The structure of the nucleus includes nuclear membrane, chromosomes, nucleoplasm. The nucleus is the most prominent organelles as compared to other cell organelles. The membrane that encloses that nucleus and separate it from the content of cytoplasm is known as nucleus membrane. This is very similar to the cell membrane. Almost entire genetic material of the cell found in the nucleus. This is the picture of nucleus. What is the structure of nucleus? The nucleus is spherical shaped organelle that is present in every eukaryotic cell. The nucleus is the control center of eukaryotic cells. It is also responsible for the coordination of genes and genes expression. The structure of nucleus includes nuclear membrane, chromosomes, nucleoplasm and nucleolus. Prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic is typical unicellular organisms that lacks of nuclear membrane enclosed nucleus. The word prokaryotic comes from Greek word. Prokaryotic cells are single-celled microorganisms known to be the earliest on the earth. Prokaryotic includes bacteria. All prokaryotic cells consist of single membrane and therefore all the reactions occur within the cytoplasm. They can be free living or parasites. This is the picture of prokaryotic cell. Bacteria are among the best known prokaryotic organism. The lack of nuclear membrane in the bacteria. Eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic are the organisms whose cells have nucleus enclosed with an nuclear membrane. Eukaryotic cells has plasma membrane, cytoplasm and ribosomes. A membrane bounds nucleus. This is the picture of eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic are organisms whose cells have nucleus enclosed with nuclear membrane. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is thick solution that fills each cell and is enclosed by the cell membrane. It is mainly composed of water, salts and protein. All of organelles in eukaryotic cells such as nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria are located in the cytoplasm. Function of cytoplasm is the cytoplasm is responsible for holding the components of the cell and protect them from damages. It stores molecules required for cellular process and are also responsible for giving the cells its shape. Now we will discuss about cell organelles. Mitochondria. Mitochondria are small, spherical or cylindrical organelle. Mitochondria is 2.8 micron long and 0.0 micron wide. It is about 150 times smaller than nucleus. There are 100 to 150 mitochondria in each cell. Mitochondria appeared as oval or cylindrical under the compound microscope. It is look like dot in the cell. Mitochondria is made up of double membrane wall. The inner membrane of the wall produce into interior in folds and form structure is called cristae. The space between cristae is filled with the fluid known as matrix. Mitochondria are responsible for cellular respiration, a process through which the cell derives its energy to do work. Because of this, mitochondria are also known as the powerhouse of the cell. This is the picture of mitochondria. Mitochondria is made up of double membrane. See, observe, double means two membranes, one surrounding the other, called inner and outer mitochondrial membranes. The inner membrane of the wall produces into interior folds called cristae. The space between cristae is called matrix. Mitochondria are responsible for cellular respiration. That's why we call the powerhouse of the cell. Chloroplast. Chloroplast is type of plastid in green color. Plastids are present only in plant cell. Plastids are mainly three types. Chloroplast, green color pigment contain. Chromoplast, color pigment contain. Leucoplast, colorless pigment contain. Chloroplast are different shapes like disc, oval, etc. In large, this can be found as ladder stars, spiracles. Reticulates. The diameter of chloroplast in higher plant can vary between 4 to 10 microns. The primary function of chloroplast is to trap the energy from sunlight and transfer into the chemical energy, thus helping to carry out photosynthesis. Certain organelles are present large member in the cell. Cells involved in photosynthesis may contain around 150 to 200 chloroplast in the cell. This is the picture of chloroplast. Chloroplast has double membrane, outer membrane, inner membrane. Inner membrane is this fluid is called stroma. Chloroplast are disc-shaped structure called thylakoid. The thylakoid membrane enclosed an internal space called thylakoid space. The thylakoids are arranged in stalks known as grana, and each granum contains around 10 to 20 thylakoids. Stoma is colorless. Inside chloroplast, grana and stoma thylakoids are the key biological structures to convert light energy into chemical energy, which is stored in the form of starch granules. Ribosomes. There are small granules-like structures in the cytoplasm of the cell. They are called ribosomes. They are formed RNA and protein. There are two types: smooth ribosomes, rough ribosomes. Smooth ribosomes are attached cytoplasm. Ribosomes are on the surface of the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes are the site for protein synthesis. Endoplasmic reticulum. Network of membrane was observed throughout cytoplasm. This network creates pauses within the cytoplasm for the transport of substance from one part of a cell to another. This network of membrane is known as endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is large network of membrane, bones, tubes and sheets. The endoplasmic membrane similar and structured to the plasma membrane. Endoplasmic reticulum may have some granules like structures on their surface, which are called ribosomes, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is site of protein manufacture. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum help in the manufacture of fat molecules or lipids. The manufactured protein and lipids are sent various places in the depending on needs. Some of the proteins and lipids help in building the cell membrane. Thus, one function of the endoplasmic reticulum is to serve as chemicals for the transport of materials between various regions of the cytoplasm or between the cytoplasm and the nucleus. It is also functions as a cytoplasmic framework, providing a surface for some of the biochemical activities of the cell. Invertebrates, liver cells, smooth endoplasmic reticulum plays a crucial role in detoxification, poison and drugs. Picture of endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum may have some granules like structure on their surface which are called ribosomes. Such parts are called rough endoplasmic reticulum. Some not have ribosomes on the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum. That's why called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, site of protein manufactures. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum help in the manufacture fat molecules or lipids. Golgi complex. Camillo Golgi has observed these organelles in the year 1898 using compound microscope. Its finer structure came to observed only under the electron microscope. The C organelles is also made up of several membranes. These membranes create sac-like structure around which many fluids filled with vessels. The protein and other substance produced in the ribosomes reaches the Golgi body through these vessels. Here, these substances are altered slightly. In one sense, the function of the Golgi bodies is pack various substances before they are transported to other parts of the cell. From here, these substances are either sent towards the cell membrane or to another organelle. Number of Golgi bodies varies from cell to cell. Their number is particularly large in those cells that secreted hormones and enzymes. This is the picture of Golgi complex. Who invented this ma? Camillo Golgi. What is the work of this? The Golgi body is also known as Golgi apparatus. It is cell organelle that helps process and package of proteins and lipids. Lysosomes. One of the facts that troubled the scientists for a long time was that certain enzymes present in the cell have the ability to destroy almost all the structures in the cell but did not damage it. This puzzle was solved when lysosomes were discovered as tiny particles visible in the cytoplasm. It was found that they contain the destructive enzymes. These enzymes normally do not come in contact with the rest of the cell. The material that need to destroyed or transported to the lysosomes. Then the lysosomes get them digested. The lysosomes burst the enzymes or release it to digest the cell. Hence, lysosomes are also known as suicide bags of the cell. Next, vacuole. The large empty spaces present in the cell are vacuoles. These are fluid-filled sac-like structures. In animal cells, vacuoles are small in size, while in plant cells they are large. In mature plants, cells they might occupy almost the entire cell space. Vacuoles maintain pressure within the cell. They export unwanted substance from the cell. This is the picture of vacuole. Vacuole is membrane bounded cell organelle. In animal cells, vacuoles are generally small and help scatter waste products. In plant cells, vacuole help maintain water balance. Sometimes a single vacuole can take up most of the interior surface of the plant cell. Hope all are safe at home. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.